visiting my channel again. I just get this no TikTok analog alarm clock. The brand is Peakeep. It's hard to pronounce it. I want the one with the 3D numbers. So this is the one that I show you the sample. If you a light sleeper, you're not gonna sleep on this kind of TikTok. You heard it. I show you. You see how loud is the second. That's why I give it a shot. And the only I want this one, the access for the off and on is in the front. But the other, the one I buy, you can access easily here by doing up and down. So let's, that's why I give this one a shot. This one is no TikTok. So this one is the classic beep analog alarm clock. I think it's only hold AA battery. So let's see that. So this one is $12.44. You have the Amazon Prime. I just get in my door, so I excited to see this one, to change my other one, because the other alarm clock that I have is already broken, which is Seiko. I have that for 15 years. This one is just recently, I bought it in the dollar store. Now let's open this box and so that I can show you. So this one I just get it, you can tell, and I provide a one battery. So I just want to let you know, I think it's not come with the battery. You need to provide your own. So this one is the alarm clock. So it says Peakeep. If you want to scan this one, you can. I ordered the white one. There's an indication there, you can tell, and you can see it. So that's but in a picture is black. So let's see, hopefully this one is white, and there's another white there. And let's do and open it. So for comparison, this one is a little bit thicker, and they're about the same in weight. And that's the side, that's the back. So this one is the access for off and on. That's the speaker. This one is the adjustment for time and the alarm. So and here's a very little tiny manual. So that's the manual, exactly fit to my palm. Is very little information there, so you're not gonna need a lot of information for this clock. So let's do it, and let's get this out and put the battery, and then let's see what it sounds and how the seconds sweep. Okay, now I already put the one battery. I'm positive there's no battery included, AA. You need to get your own. The reason why they put, or they said this one is a 3D, because of the number. You see the 12, 9, 6 and 3 is bigger than the other numbers, and the contrast of the pace of this one, the dial, it's very visible. Even I think a little bit far away, you can still read it. And the green hand, you see that luminous? This one is not do some illumination. The only thing you can, if you want to see the time, you can just press this one. You see it's very bright, so it's impossible that you're not gonna get the time of that when you look at it. So just release it, and the light is up. The only number one I like this one is the off and on access to the left. So as soon as this one's alarm, you can just put this one down. So you need to put in your mind the off and on is the left. So there. So let's wait until this one is ring, and you see how the seconds move is smooth. Not like this one, you can hear the ticking, the tick tock, see. While this one, you're not gonna hear nothing. And this one, they have a higher feedback to the Amazon Peakeep. So that's how it bakes, how it look like in the size. I just put in my hand. I have a medium palm hand, so it's not too big compared to this one, thick wise and in the back. So I show you the how the battery compartment look like. It's there. Just only hold one battery, which is AA, and if we want to get their customer supports there. So I show you, this one is made in China. That's the speaker. It's very straightforward how they do this one. And I just want to let you know that I'm not part of this Peacock clock. I just want to show you if you want to buy it. So I give you some idea. So the side to side. And let's wait until this one it alarms, so how it look like and how it sounds. So let's wait. Now how this one is beep. It beep 6:29. So I don't know if the beep they change. So now it's beeping rapidly. So that how it sounds. Even though I think you heavy sleeper, you can still wake up this alarm clock. And I don't know why the minute finger it moves while this one is alarm. So maybe that one is normal. So let's see if this one is stopped after a minute. Maybe it's no, it's not gonna stop, not until you press this one for snooze. So let's wait for, let's see if it is accurate from 6:30 to 6:35. Let's see if this one is gonna alarm again after 5 minutes. That's the snooze. Let's wait. So while waiting for 5 minutes to snooze, so I just want to give you information for customer service, for warranty. They offer 365 days warranty. So it means the warranty of this one is only a year. So after a year is on you. So no, after that it's delete the warranty. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Hopefully this one it's snooze after 5 minutes. So we have 2.5 minutes left before this one it's goes to snooze. Okay, let's wait. Now here you go. That's the snooze. So remember earlier it's 29. Now it's 34. After 5 minutes is snooze. And in order to shut this snooze down, just get the back part and put it down. And you're ready to wake up. So I think that'll be it. And that'll be all. Hopefully I can give you all the information about this Peakeep. So far I like it. The way they make it is very clean. And it's very good in color. You can tell it's quality. And the color too is brilliant. It's catch my eyes. So the only thing, if this one is last, so I just gonna give you another review again if it is this one spell on me. So that I can suggest to buy too. So but for now, for the price is very decent. So it's not bad for the size and quality wise too. And I think that'll be it. And thanks for watching my channel, and please subscribe. I'm out. Till my next one. Bye-bye.